Now let's we discuss one of the beautiful, glamorous Jain temple at Delwara. Jain temple at Delwara, Mount Abu, and Ranakpur in the Rajasthan are excellent and wonderful form of the construction, carving, artistic skill, and the sculpture point of view. Especially, these temples were constructed by the minister Vimal Shah, that is Vimal Vasai, and another minister Vastupal, that is the Luna Vasai, are excellent example of the sculpture. These are constructed by using the marbles. See just a glance of the temple. Now let me see the medieval architecture during the medieval period. The Arabians, Persian, Turk Muslims, they were invaded India. They some of them looted the India, plundered the wealth of the India, and some of them settled down in India, mingled with the Indian people, and they adopted the culture. They patronized the Indian culture. Even they have contributed their own culture. That is why we have an amalgamation of the various culture and the various tribes. So during that medieval period, a different architecture work has been done. Here, mosque, minarets, royal palaces, bridges, inns that is Dharmshala, are seen in the medieval age. Kutubuddin Aibak built Qutub Minar and Quwat ul Islam Mosque. That mosque is called as a Dahi Din Ka Jhopda, that is Quwat ul Islam. Quwat ul Islam was made by, and built by the Kutubuddin Aibak within a Dahi Din. That is why it is called as a Dahi Din Ka Jhopda, which is located in Ajmer. Basically, the work of the Qutub Minar has been started by the Kutubuddin Aibak, but it was completed by the Iltutmish, his son-in-law. In the Bengal, Adina Mosque at the Pandua region of Bengal, tomb of Jalaluddin Muhammad Shah at Tantipura Mosque were constructed. This region developed its own special style in the field of the architecture. Jaunpur, Sultan of the Turkey built Atala Mosque there. Sultan of Turkey, he made Atala Mosque there. There is an uh, artistic gumbaj around the dome and the artistic grill around the dome. The wall and the ceilings are decorated with the many Indian designs, including the lotus. Malwa. A peculiar style of the Mandu building is seen under the protection of the Sultan Mandu type of building. Many such tombs have been created over there. A huge and impressive domes and a carving of balcony in this structure are attractive. The tomb of Hoshnang Shah is completely made up of marble in the Indian style, which is located in the Malwa plateau basically. Other provinces besides these, rulers of Kashmir and the Bahamani built a dome of Bijapur, building at the Bidar and the Gulbargani, and Madrasa of the Muhammad Gawa, the temple of Hampi, Vithala Swami, Hajarama, Gopuram, and the artistic pillars are well known of the Vijayanagar Empire. Vijayanagar Empire, the ruler was the Krishna Dev Rai. Now let's see the architecture of India in Gujarat. Especially in Gujarat also we can see the various types of the buildings and the monasteries, chaityas, viharas, stepwells, pillars, stone inscriptions, and the palaces, Lakshmi Vilas Palace and all. So on, minarets and the mosque and so many. Even the temples also. Let's see the temples which are very important in a religious point of view. Okay. Bhadrakali temple, you are most of the temple have been either visited by you or you might have heard the name of them. Bhadrakali, which is located in Ahmedabad, Gita Mandir, Ahmedabad, Ved temple, which is located in Khed Brahma, Jagannath Temple, Jamalpur, Ranchhodrai Temple, Dakor, Sun Temple, Modhera, Hatkeshwar Mahadev Temple, Vadnagar, Ambaji Temple, Shambhalaji Temple, Somnath Temple, Jagat Temple, Bhucharaji Temple, Mahakali Temple, Pavagad, Swaminarayan Temple, Brahmaji Temple at the Khed Brahma, Khodiyar Mataji Temple at the Bhavnagar, that is the Rajapura, Mud of Ashapura of Kutch. These are the temple architecture of Gujarat. Now let's see the masjid, that is a mosque. A different mosque also can be seen in Gujarat. Jama Masjid near Tin Darwaja in Ahmedabad, which was constructed by Ahmad Shah I, and he built this mosque in the year of 1424 AD, having 260 pillars and the 15 dome. Other work includes the trails of Sidi Syed, that is the grills of Sidi Syed Jali. A very miniature work can be seen in that. The Roja of Sarkhez, shaking towers of Gomtipur and the Kalupur, that is the Julta Minara, Mosque of Queen Sipri, which is also known as a Mosque Nagina, Masjid Nagina के नाम से उनको जाना जाता है. Jama Masjid at the Chapaner, which was constructed by the Muhammad Begda, are such a beautiful example of such a beautiful mosque in the terms of architecture. Jama Masjid, see, this is a Jama Masjid. Trails of Sidi Syed, Mosque of the Queen Sipri, Jain Temple, the Jain temples of Hati Singh, Kumbhariyaji, Shankheshwar, Siddhagiri, Setrunjayagiri, Palitana. Setrunjayagiri, Palitana, I have visited these Jain temples, which are very beautiful, and you may be shocked that though they do not have the technology, then how they have brought such a huge stone and the marbles on a high mountain, and beautifully they have carved. I think it may have taken so many years to construct. This is on the high. See, look at the beautiful view of the temples, Jain temples, which is generally called as a Derasar. Stepwell of Gujarat, very beautiful stepwells can be seen in Gujarat, and one of the most famous temple of Gujarat, that is the Rani Ki Vav. Apart from the Rani Ki Vav, Adalat stepwell, Dada Hari stepwell, stepwell of Dabhoi, having a splendid example. These are the splendid example. Splendid, that is very beautiful, artistic, glamorous and attractive form of architecture. Now see the forts of Bhadra, Tin Darwaja, Naginawadi, Kakariya Lake, Rudra Mahalay, Sahasraling Lake, Chori of Shambhalaji, Samadhi of Tanariri, Kirti Toran, that is a Victory Tower, Vadnagar, Munsar Lake in Viramgam, Malav Lake of Dholka, a very famous lake, that is a Malav Lake of Dholka, and in Gujarati it is to be said, if you want to see the justice, then see the Malav Lake. अगर आपको न्याय देखना है, ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम द सिद्धराज जयसी एंड his mother Rajmata Minal Devi were ruling over the Gujarat, and at that time the Patan was the capital of Gujarat, and they wanted to construct a lake in the Dholka. So there was a lady and she got justice, and that is why it is called कि अगर आपको न्याय देखना है राजमाता मिनल देवी तक का, तो मलाव लेक को देखिए. टुडे गुजरात शाइन लाइक a star in the world map because of its art of sculpture, architecture and the carving. See, this is a Rani Ki Vav, and here we are completing this chapter. Chapter number 3 gets over here. Thank you so much.